Bornok Mangosong, make us proud. Hey guys, Coach Sam Tamay here, and MXGP official page announced yesterday the provisional list ng mga kasali. Would you believe a Pinoy is kasali sa dream team ng Team FIM Asia? So paano ba nangyayari ito? Siyempre, hindi tayo pababayaan ng FIM Asia president natin, which is Filipino, Stefan Maki Karapiat, and part of the selection is na-select yung Thai champion Ben Halgren and Jiraj Wanalak. And so to have a Filipino in that seat, di ba, representing Southeast Asia is such an honor. Malaking karangalan para sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Sa isang sport na ubod ng mahal, ubod ng gastos, ubod ng delikado. Di ba? So let's rally together. Iwasan muna natin pagiging crab mentality. Pero mayroong kadugo, kakulay, kakultura coming from the Philippines na i-represent ang ating bandila. There was Team Philippines 2-3 years ago, pero I think we have a better chance to actually qualify right now. Kasi let's admit it, iba po talaga ang takbuhan ng mga Western countries, developed countries like US and like continents like Europe. Iba po kasi yung kanilang dami and support and yung resources na meron, na kaya yung kanilang progress at yung kanilang bilis iba po talaga. Can you imagine? Bornok will be lining up beside Danger Boy Digan. Ben Halgren will line up beside Chase Sexton, diba? And Jet Lawrence. And then Jiraj Wanalak will line up with Eli Tomac and Hunter Lawrence. You know, kasi ang top team ngayon is Australia, sila yung champion last year, and the US. So for Southeast Asia, like from Thailand, si Wanalak at si Halgren, and Philippines, si Bornok Mangosong, to be just there, represent the Asian, Southeast Asia, malaki tayong market na nagmomotor eh. Hindi tayo dapat ini-ignore. It's such an honor. So, support natin sila. Kung may bibili ng mga merch, bumili tayo. Or just by sharing this video kung how big talaga itong Motocross of Nations. Itong Olympics ng motocross. And motocross, by the way, is yan po ang pundasyon at ang pinakamalaking off-road racing in the world. So, the top dogs of off-road riding, racers, riders, eto yun eh. And this is the Olympics of it. This is Coach Sam Tamayo. Have a good day. To God be the glory.